Hello and namaskar and welcome once again to another edition of ISHM podcast. As promised, we would be bringing you live updates, news and latest information regarding to tourism, aviation, hospitality and hospitals. और आज we are very honored to have Mr. Kanhaiya Kumar Singh with us, who has been in fact with the hospitality for a very long amount of time, and there's a very specific reason why he is on the show with us. He is what we call a successful COVID warrior. So sir, welcome to our show.
Thank you so much, Abhishek.
Sir, I would just like to tell you know a little about your journey so far.
Okay, first of all, thank you so much for having me here. If I start about my journey has been really I am a hotel management guy first of all, and I have worked throughout the hotel industry. I have never worked with any other industry. I know only and only about the hotel, right? Worked in a front office for nearly 2.5 years, and then out of total 14 years of experience, 13 years roughly, my sales and marketing have been working so far. I worked with the Leela. That was my first hotel in Leela Kovalam, Kerala. Through my college campus, I was received by Leela and worked there in front office. Very small point of time, like I worked with ITC. Then Tata, Ginger and Taj Group of Hotels, I worked for 3.5 years. In Kolkata, I worked with the Park and Lalit Great Eastern Hotel. And then 7.5 year journey with the Marriott. Marriott, I joined as a sales manager, and I said goodbye to the company by director of sales and marketing. Before coming to Kolkata, I was there in Guwahati, heading a sales and marketing, and partially involved in operations as well. And then I'm here with you guys.
Okay, so do you have any in ISHM, or do you have any other plans in the future?
Absolutely. Coming to Kolkata, the major reason, you already mentioned that, COVID warrior. I don't say COVID warrior because there are a lot of people. I have not added much, I would say, during the COVID. Yes, I've been blessed. I've been working throughout, right, in COVID also. And that time only I thought, right, COVID has taught many of us different lessons.
I see.
Right, to an industry or to an individual. So while working with the Hyatt in Kolkata during COVID time, I thought of having my own, something my own.
Okay.
Which I can own the business. So that is what partnering with the ISHM.
I see.
And opening a soon restaurant, right? So that is also added advantage and value to the student.
That's
or
right.
to the hotel management guys.
Exactly.
Before they would be entering in a hotel, right, for an industrial training or any exposure, right? The kind of restaurant we are building, right? That's absolutely 5-star luxury, setup.
I see.
So the student will be facing the guest directly at the restaurant.
That's right.
They can come over, they can learn. I have done hotel management. I understand what kind of practical and how practical classes are being conducted.
That's right.
So the student and the faculties, they have got a bonding. This is a comfort factor.
Yes.
The moment they enter in a hotel industry, there is a kind of jitterness and there's kind of, nervous, every faces you will see that. And that has been seen the first time fresher when they sit for an interview.
That's right.
This is an opportunity, I would say, for every student, like ISHM student, they would enter. If they are interested, right, they can get themselves experienced.
That's right.
Right, by serving the guest and learning, way of services.
और ये सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि we know of other hotel management colleges where they perhaps some of them run a hotel. So now we are in league with them, wherein we can also boast about and say that we are partnered up with a multi-cuisine super specialty restaurant. सर, मुझे आपसे और एक सवाल जो मुझे को पूछना है आपसे, और वो है कि जब आप since you are looking into opening your own restaurant, so you will be hiring people. तो आप जब हायर करते हो, what do you look for them? What do you look for in students when you hire them?
As I mentioned already, मेरे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा important ये होता है कि was like confidence.
अच्छा.
today's generation, I look at them, everybody is like, digitally, I would say, educated and they're well aware. Social media handling, what is happening around you, what is nearby, people are well educated.
That's right.
So the confidence is the one prospect I look at in every individual, and not only here. Like what I'll be looking in during hiring process for my restaurant. I've been doing that in sales and marketing also. I always ask people, and I expect that they should have a local basic local knowledge. उनको पता होना चाहिए कि आपके सिटी में और आपकी कंट्री में हो क्या रहा है. 3 months down the line, like what is trending currently and what will be उसका impact क्या होगा. आप जो एक्शंस एंड रिएक्शंस आपके होते हैं, राइट. होटल इंडस्ट्री में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि जब आप गेस्ट को सर्व करते हो, गेस्ट सेटिस्फैक्शन इज द बेसिक, दैट इज द थंब रूल. यू कैन नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज irrespective of the class of the category or the hotel or restaurant.
जी हाँ.
Guest satisfaction, right, their happiness, their comfort is the utmost important factor.
Right.
So coming back to your question, what I ask from people, right, their confidence level, and they should know the basics. These two things I expect people should know.
जी हाँ.
Or if they do not know, if they have a little bit idea also, at least उनमें वो अर्ज होनी चाहिए सीखने की.
जी हाँ. जी हाँ.
Right?
Yeah.
That's the only thing I look at from the freshers.
Okay. तो अभी आप जैसे it was really it is honorable for us to know that you are also from a hotel management background. तो जैसे कि जानते हो कि ISHM में इतने सारे स्टूडेंट हैं होटल मैनेजमेंट में. Do you have anything that you would like to tell them?
There are a lot of things like I wanted to convey. The industry has changed. In the industry, like this particular industry is growing every day and month, like across the globe. आप किसी भी chain की बात कर लो, right? Somehow or other they are opening or they are signing a hotel. So this industry is growing.
That's right.
This particular segment is growing, right? इतने सारे verticals आ गए हैं. आप restaurant की बात करो या housekeeping की बात करो. बहुत सारे segments आ गए. When I had joined like 14 years back in the industry, right? It was a luxury segment when I started, from where I actually began, and then I worked with the budget segment as well. Ginger is a very self serviced hotel. Then I worked with the Park Hotel. Then I worked with the Marriott, like JW also premium, and the Courtyard and all. So there is a diversity, right? अभी इस टाइम पे स्टूडेंट लाइक एज आई सेड दे नीड टू बी अपडेटेड, राइट. कहाँ क्या हो रहा है, हाउ द इंडस्ट्री इज शेपिंग अप, राइट. दे शुड बी अपडेटेड एंड देयर इज अ ह्यूज अपॉर्चुनिटी टू ग्रो. टेक्निकल एंड नॉन टेक्निकल दोनों, राइट. द सॉफ्ट स्किल and the technical part, I would say. You talk about IT, you talk about engineering. People always talk about the 4 major departments, like front office, kitchen, service, and the housekeeping. But there are like department like HR, IT, engineering, right? These are the also like backbone of the hotel. So there are a lot of opportunities. People do not know much. They are only like work in one direction. So they need to open up their horizons, and उनको पता होना चाहिए कि there are other segment as well.
Exactly.
Right. That's why like when I look at ISHM, multiple course, right, multiple options whenever they are opting, right, technical and non-technical. Technical, when I say about that, people are going showing interest for the bakery.
Right.
Why are they showing interest in the bakery? They want to do something by their own.
Right.
After a certain period of time. But the housekeeping people say that housekeeping में काम करके क्या होगा, मैं अपना बाद में कुछ कर नहीं सकता हूँ. The housekeeping में the amount of knowledge you get about the chemicals.
Exactly.
Right. आप बेकरी आप ओपन करना चाहते हो, यहाँ पे आप केमिकल का, और जब आप कंसल्टेंसी ओपन करते हो, cleanliness is something like किसी भी पीरियड में फेड नहीं होगा.
जी हाँ.
Right. When we talk about the फ्रंट ऑफिस के बाद हाउसकीपिंग रिसेप्शन में ही आप रह जाओगे. फ्रंट ऑफिस में काम करने के बाद the PR, guest relation, the industry, right? Any segment आप जाओ, अपने college में भी है ना, people like they do PR.
Right.
So these segments, like, these are very soft skills, and you actually work on it and you grow with it. So ये ऐसा नहीं है कि आप होटल के बाद क्या. These are the soft skill, like you are actually adding value to yourself.
Right.
So the message in short, right? I explain like why, and the message in short to the student, right? Hotel management is the gateway to the industry to perform and to work on yourself, your personality development, what you are and what you will be, right? There's a huge difference.
That's right.
So the message to the people, this is the gateway to the bigger and biggest industry.
That's right.
Right.
और जहाँ तक कि मेरा सवाल है, मेरे को याद है मैंने जब होटल मैनेजमेंट किया था तब मेरे पापा मेरे को एक ही बात पूछे थे, क्या वेटर बनेगा या कुक? तो आज मुझे गर्व होता है ये बोल के कि मैं उसे जवाब दे पाता हूँ कि सिर्फ वेटर और कुक में सीमित नहीं है आज हमारे होटल.
Now the mindset has completely changed.
Now it has changed.
Absolutely, it has been changed.
Which was not, perhaps I believe, sir.
Every family आज के डेट में like आप सिटी की बात करो, किसी न किसी क्लास ऑफ होटल में जरूर विजिट करी होगी.
जी हाँ.
I'm like any category, but the hotel, like आप ट्रैवल करते हो, आप सिटी में रहते हो, आप कहीं ऑन ट्रांजिट पे आप रुकते हो, it is some kind of arrangement is already there. Like ढाबा, my God, like there was a time like 10 years 12 years back, right? अरे ढाबे में जा रहे हैं. आज के डेट में you look for a ढाबा nearby.
Exactly.
It's very, I would say it has registered in our lives and in our mind, and these segments they have worked on themselves. कि क्यों ढाबा को क्या उसको बोलते हैं, not to look down. Now the dhaba has set up the class.
Exactly.
I'm going to the dhaba.
Professional हो रही है लोग.
Yeah, you don't get the reservations on weekend.
थैंक यू सर. और लेकिन और एक बात देखिए, जैसे कि आप जानते हो हमारे अभी कुछ दिन पहले हमारे बोर्ड एग्जाम्स आउट हुए हैं, हमारे स्टूडेंट्स पास आउट हुए हैं. Now what I would like, do you want to tell them anything?
See, as I said, right, it's absolutely the student's choice, right, which segment they want to opt for. Technical, non-technical, there are two categories I simplify, right? But when you want to come to the hotel industry or the hospitality sector, right, from this segment you get the multiple routes, right? As I already mentioned, when you're choosing a front office, you have a multiple lane to go. Not only to restrict a hotel, right? After a certain period of time when you wanted to move on, like today people join in a concierge or a bell desk, and yesterday in fact I was going through one of the gentlemen, like he started with the F&B service as a waiter, right? Then he moved to concierge, then he moved to front desk, and then after 15 years in a Taj, right, he's leading a hotel, he's the general manager, right? And now he'll be opening his own, because I was just reading his success and ups and downs, he calls it. Message to the student, right? Those who are passing out, first of all, wish them all the very best. The West Bengal results have also been very good. The girls are actually leading the ladder. So the industry, like whichever they choose, if they choose the hospitality sector, right, again, as you already mentioned, right, that the cliche statement, or I would say that mental block is like already faded away.
That's right.
Now the people do not join hotel industry to become a waiter or bera banna hai. No, people join the hotel industry from the very good family also. Exactly. Right? They already run the business, right? And they join the kids, they join the industry to learn how the hotels are operating, right? There's so many programs. Every chain of the hotel, पहले ताज यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में हम सुनते थे, right? Every chain, now Marriott की बात करो, Hilton की बात करो, they have a multiple programs to groom them, right? To uplift them and to hire them and to set them like as a department leader or the hotel leader or the area leader or the country leader, right? So there is, हमने सब जानते हैं, like sky has no limit, right? So दिस पर्टिकुलर इंडस्ट्री में देयर इज नो लिमिट टू इट.
That's right.
एक आप फ्रंट ऑफिस मैनेजर जब बन के रुक नहीं सकते हो, आप एग्जीक्यूटिव शेफ बन के रुक नहीं सकते हो, आप एक सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग डायरेक्टर सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग बन के नहीं रुक सकते हो. देयर इज ए एंडलेस जर्नी.
That's right, sir.
It's up to the people, right, where they want to, what they want to achieve in their life.
That's right, sir. एक सवाल जैसे कि हमने शुरू में आपने ही बोला था, इसलिए मैं वो सवाल आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ. For all of us, the year 2019 to 20 was very challenging for all of us, especially for us in the hospitality industry. COVID and lockdown, traveling, everything was shut. But my simple question जो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, what if another COVID?
My God, it should not be.
Yes, of course.
See, the COVID has changed million of people's life, over the night,
That's right.
right? It has affected the firms like across the globe,
Right.
each and every segment. अगर हम अपनी इंडस्ट्री की बात करें, एविएशन एंड हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री, राइट, हैज impacted or affected the most, right? But yes, it has taught the lesson. The way हम अब लाइफ्स को और चीज़ों को देखने का नज़रिया बदल गया है, right? I'm sure like every individual companies, right, professionals, जो जिस सेगमेंट में हैं, अगर इंडस्ट्री की बात करें, अपने सेगमेंट की बात करें, राइट, पीपल आर मोर कॉशियस अबाउट इट, राइट. उनका स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द स्पेंडिंग पावर, राइट, आई वुड नॉट से दैट हैज डिक्रीज और समथिंग, नो. It's a very practical approach, right? Why am I doing it? How much am I doing it, right? There is a thought, there is a discussion. There is no mental block these days. In terms of hiring also, earlier also it was done, but now is a different approach towards it. So now for the industry people, right, those who want to enroll themselves as a new member to the industry, उनको भी पता है, again back to the square, right, technical and non-technical, right. पहले लोगों को जो समझ में आती थी, कोविड के बाद वो सोचने का नज़रिया बहुत चेंज हो गया है. That's what I said, like people are more interested going towards technical courses, right. होटल इंडस्ट्री जब ज्वाइन करते हैं तो क्यों आपको ये आप किचन क्यों ले रहे हो? As I said, like bakery or the Indian or the Chinese segment, right, F&B service में major I see people like interested, and there is a rush. Housekeeping and other departments and all, so there is again mental block. So there is a disbalance, I would say, with regards to the choosing the courses among the student, and उनको क्यों करना है, ये कोविड का ही एक्चुअली इम्पैक्ट है कि इन केस अगर फिर से कोविड अगर और ऐसा कुछ होता है, राइट, तो आई एम सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंट मुझे करना क्या है और क्या कर लूँगा मैं. सो चाहे वो मोदी जी बोले या फिर हमारी गवर्नमेंट बोले, राइट, द सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट होना, राइट, और अपना कुछ करो आप, राइट, तो आपको पहले टेक्निकल सीखना, आपको पहले जानकारी होनी चाहिए.
जी हाँ,
राइट. तो दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड दिस ऑल हैज कम फ्रॉम देयर. So people are more like educated and aware, right, and I would say that confident कि in case अगर इस तरह की कुछ अगर again ऐसा कुछ अगर आता है तो हम तैयार हैं.
तो ना आपके हिसाब से स्किल होना इज इम्पोर्टेंट है. स्किल एंड नॉलेज अगर हो जाए तो कॉन्फिडेंस ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाए.
एब्सोल्युटली. बट वही मैं बता रहा हूँ कि एक मेंटल ब्लॉक अभी भी है, वो लाइक ट्रेनिंग एंड व्हाइल डूइंग काउंसलिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
राइट.
ये सॉफ्ट स्किल इज लाइक इज नॉट वे, सॉफ्ट स्किल इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लाइक मार्केटिंग सेगमेंट की अगर आप बात करो, राइट, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की अगर आप बात करो, ये सारे के सारे सॉफ्ट स्किल में भी आते हैं
जी.
राइट. पीआर, right, is like soft skill.
Yeah.
And there is a huge crunch in this particular segment, there's a huge crunch because वो again लोगों को लगता है कि अरे ये करके क्या ही होगा, हमें इसके बाद क्या,
जी
एंट्री लेवल आ गया, मैनेजर बन गया, उसके बाद क्या? नो, वो दिस मैसेज इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू रीच आउट टू मेनी ऑफ द पीपल, दोज हु एक्चुअली ऑप्टिंग अ न्यू कोर्स, राइट? दे शुड रीथिंक, दे शुड टेक अ पॉज, दे शुड डू लिटिल रिसर्च कि इस पर्टिकुलर सेगमेंट का, सॉफ्ट स्किल सेगमेंट का क्या इम्पैक्ट होगा इफ दे टेक, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Thank you very much, sir. It was really an eye-opening session that we have had, and I'm sure हमारे viewers को भी हमारा जो ये discussion था बहुत they must have assisted them by way bounds. अगर आपको कोई भी सवाल है, if you want to ask anything regarding this podcast, please do mention your question in the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe and follow our Facebook, Instagram and Twitter channels, and please follow our YouTube page for further updates. For now, thank you sir for being on the show. It was really an honor, and thank you for watching.